Look at this. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, yeah, make it like vicious. Oh, make it vicious. Oh, yes. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. Oh, no. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh. You're running away with it. Get back here. Get back here. What are you doing? Oh, no, look. Ew. Yeah, food. Calvin, you walked in front of the camera. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, go ahead. Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, it's so cute. No. He's going to get confused. Just give him one. Okay, Calvin, make one exciting for him. Is that him or her? That's her, I think. I'm not sure. Oh no, look at you. Oh. What are you going to do? Oh my goodness. Oh. I want him to come out here a little more. Come on here. Come on. Look what you're going to do. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. What are you going to do? Oh, no. Oh, what you going to do? Oh, there's a flashlight on the floor. Oh, that's good. Hey. No, don't discover my shoe. That's not what you want. Do not discover my shoe. My shoe is not what you want. No, not the shoe. Hey, get your attention back on that. Get your attention back on this. No, a shoe. Uh-oh. Once they discover the shoes, it's so over. Remember with Luna, I didn't have one pair. Like she took one of every pair. So one of every pair of 13 pairs. So I had 13 single shoes. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. What was that? Oh no! Oh, you're so vicious! Oh! You know that's a monkey actually. I thought it was first it was a dog. It's actually a little monkey. What are you doing? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh no! Time for pee pee. Time for pee pee. What are you looking at? Oh, look at he's marching. He was like marching over. He's so cute. Are you marching over? You're marching over. Oh, look at you. Oh, you know when they start marching is on the walkway. You seen that? When they start marching over, it's so funny. All the others are just I'm sleeping. No. Oh, this one's doing push-ups while you guys are sleeping. I'm gonna be sorry later. Yep. What was that? What was that? Oh no. It's so funny. Oh no. Help. Oh no, I want to go and bite your feet instead. It's much more exciting. I think he wants to get picked up. Oh no, floppy. I think when he does that, like at my feet, because he does that at my feet, eh? I think that when he does that, he wants to get picked up. Oh, you're so cute.